Richard and Roger here trying out a new video, and we're shooting the Fuji XT3, and we're doing classic chrome. So I'm going to try out the new Ronin S gimbal here, and here we go. Picture of the whale. Here's my favorite dog ever, Charlie dog. Or that was Megan dog. Oh. What do you think of this gimbal, Richard?
What do I think of the lens?
The gimbal.
Oh, the gimbal?
Yeah.
It's pretty amazing how that works.
Okay. Okay, let's
I thought that they just smoothed out the motion. I didn't know that they would actually track something while you moved it around.
Oh, Charlie. Charlie dog. Oh, I got zebras in the background. Take a look right at the camera.
He just wants attention all the time. Hi, Dad! Wave at the camera.
Oh, yeah.
Wave those ears. There you go.
All right.
Let's make it smile.
Oh, Charlie. Look at the camera picture of you. You're so pretty. Such a pretty dog. Such a pretty dog, Charlie. Richard's getting some good video of you. Yes. Yes, oh, nice puppy. Charlie. Oh, such a pretty dog you are. Oh, yeah, Charlie.